Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage. Welcome to another episode of Tools That Don't Suck. So today we're going to talk about a tool that I have that's vintage, but you could still get these. This is called a Wilton Powr arm. They call it a Vise, but it's like a fixturing tool that is really handy. So it has some holes drilled in the bottom here. It's quite heavy, cast part. That you can fixture the table, or if you're doing light work, you can just throw it on the table like I do here. What's cool about this is it has a bunch of swivel features to it. So it has a ball and socket type setup here, and it has two holes that are drilled and tapped in the shaft over here, and you can put whatever you want on it. So I have just a piece of angle iron on here because I can just clamp things to it. But what's cool is it has the arm here, so you can loosen this, you can swivel it back and forth. You can move this down into the slot here, and you can spin this any which way that you want. So you can pretty much get almost any positioning that you need when you're doing, when you're setting things up and tack welding and just welding in general. The biggest thing I always tell people when they're learning how to TIG weld is getting comfortable is one of the keys to getting a good weld. So when I'm welding something that's definitely crucial, I want to make sure I'm as comfortable as I can be, and that's what this tool allows you to do. So. It also allows you to spin around as well, so there's a spin, a rotating function here like this, and you just pull the knob, tap it tight, and now this thing, I can't even move that by hand. So as long as you're not hammering on it or prying on it, this will hold your piece in place. There's a bunch of different series of these that go from really small to large. Mine's kind of like the middle of the road one that I have here. Mine is an old one, like I said, but they've been around for a long time. If you guys go to like equipment auctions, things like that, you can find these that they're used for fixturing and industrial applications quite often. And this is a really valuable tool. So today I'm using this tool. We're welding up the steering arm with the extension for the free T. And this is kind of an awkward part to get sitting right. And you can use blocks or magnets to try and get it to sit right. But with this, we can clamp this part like so. Just get this on here. Clamp that like that. Now I can loosen this, and I can get this arm sitting perfectly in line so that I can have my TIG torch here. And like I said, I don't bolt mine down because I like to be able to move it around. But it's heavy enough, you can see it's holding the clamp in the arm, it's not tipping over. Now I can get like this, and I can work my way around. I can see what I'm working on. We can spin it around then to do the back side. So if we want to work on the back side here, I can just move the part a little bit. This, I can spin it around. So, get a clamp centered here, and we should be able to clamp it. Same thing. So I can get this in here, work my way around. I can lift it up and spin it like this, work the bottom, rotate it around, and finish the weld. So it's really, really nice that you can move stuff around with this. So again, it's the Wilton Powr arm. The model I have is a 301. Like I said, they sell a bunch of different versions. I think we looked in one of the kind of entry-level versions. It's about $300, and they go up in price from there. I would say it's worth the money. I found mine at like a tool auction, and I got it for really cheap because a lot of times people don't know what this is. If you just look at it, you may not know what the tool is, and if you're a welder or fabricator, you instantly see it and you can see what it does. So it's really handy, and it's definitely something I like in my shop. So that's all I got for this particular tool of tools that don't suck. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.